Y'all have a good night.
I see you got your camera. They take videos. You find the store.
It's up here. I don't really. I don't have much or anything. Oh, you want something? Well, there is a 7-Eleven. Oh, I don't. They're around. They really don't have any parking. You have to see. It's on the street, so you have to go in and get your stuff to go out. You cannot. No, you don't.
Well, where is that? I don't know what that's.